Hello dear traders, and welcome to the CMX Markets News Review. Why central banks are going to announce monetary policy decisions this week, and all central banks are expected to raise their interest rates by 50 basis points this week as the global financial conditions continue to tighten. Waiting for the US CPI report, markets participants are expecting a signal that the Federal Reserve will pivot on Wednesday. The Federal Reserve is expected to raise the benchmark rate by another 50 basis points. It will also continue with its quantitative tightening policies that has seen reduce its balance sheet substantially. But the 75 basis points is also on the agenda if the CPI readings will be higher than expected. At the same time, we are expecting a Federal Open Market Committee economic projections and statement that will give some clues on the further interest rate hikes that will have a great impact on the future greenback movement in the market. On Thursday, December 15th, market participants likewise closely watch the interest rate decision of the Swiss National Bank, Bank of England and the European Central Bank. Inflation in Switzerland is far less than in the euro area or in the United States. It is highly expected that the governing board members will opt for a 50 basis points, so the interest rate in Switzerland will reach 1%. That will be bullish for the Swiss franc. On Wednesday, the Bank of England will be able to digest fresh inflation data before its rate decision. Moreover, inflation reached to 11.1% in October, so the Bank of England cannot lower its guard. The bank will probably still raise rates by 50 basis points, lifting the base rate to 3.5%. This rate increase will show the Bank of England's outlook on the future rate hikes. Finally, inflation in the euro area surprised the downside in November, giving the central bank an excuse to slow down the pace of its interest rate hikes. The European Central Bank is expected to deliver a 50 basis points rate hike on Thursday. With this rate hike, the deposit rate will reach 2.50%, but the odds of an even larger 75 basis points rate hike also increased, adding the euro's upward momentum. In case if the ECB surprises with a 75 basis points rate hike, the euro would soar. Thus, any hawkish forward guidance from the central bank could also boost the euro. You have watched CMX Markets News Review. See you, dear traders! And don't forget to join to our Telegram channel.